Step into a world where nutrition meets style with our exclusive Eat a Healthy Diet shirt collection. Imagine vibrant colors and playful designs that not only elevate your wardrobe, but also serve as a daily reminder of the importance of wholesome eating. Each of the 10 unique shirt designs tells a story, one that celebrates the beauty of fruits and vegetables in our lives. Picture yourself wearing a shirt adorned with a cheerful carrot or a dazzling apple, inviting compliments and sparking conversations that inspire healthier choices wherever you go. These shirts are more than just clothing. They are motivational pieces that encourage you and those around you to embrace a healthy lifestyle. Visualize donning a shirt at the gym, working out alongside friends while eliciting smiles and admiration for both your fitness journey and your stylish choice. Crafted from comfortable, breathable fabric, these shirts provide the perfect recipe for comfort and fashion. Envision slipping into a soft shirt that feels great against your skin, whether you're attending a fitness class or relaxing at home. They're designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, ensuring you look and feel your best. Available in a variety of sizes, each shirt accommodates everyone who shares the mission of promoting healthy living. Picture gifting one to a family member or friend, their eyes lighting up as they appreciate the thought behind such a thoughtful gift. Imagine wearing a conversation starter during your grocery trips, where each shirt inspires not just personal change, but also encourages others to consider healthier food choices. The vibrant messages and designs act as a gentle nudge towards better habits, making healthy eating approachable and exciting. Whether you're in the kitchen preparing a nutritious meal or out and about spreading the message of wellness, these shirts provide the perfect blend of playfulness and positivity. Think about the spark of joy you'll feel when someone compliments your shirt, providing the perfect opportunity to discuss the benefits of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Join us in this vibrant celebration of health. Our Eat a Healthy Diet shirt collection not only elevates your clothing game, but could also be the catalyst for inspiring those around you to make healthier choices. It's time to wear your values and embrace a life full of vitality and nutrition.